site plan and design approval for 7 Brew, Memphis LLC. This is going to be located so it shares a property line with Lenny's. An engineering plat for a new subdivision called Asa Place was approved. This is a 22-lot residential subdivision over 8.25 acres, located on the west side of Raleigh-Millington Road and across from Cedar Hill Drive. Then there was an application for the first 2 houses for the reserve at Millington. This is phase 1, the engineering plat. These were approved. This is on the north side of Bateman Road and east of Raleigh-Millington. 2 businesses had applications denied for exterior renovation permits. Both of these were based upon bold color selections. Has asked these businesses to work with the planning department and to re-propose colors. The colors need to be earth tone, neutral, and soft, and then they will be coming back before the Planning Commission, hopefully next month, so that they can get their exterior renovations done. One business is Manila Restaurant. The other business is a strip center on the west side of Highway 51, just north of Sonic.